Have you ever wanted to speak English fluently but didn't have anyone to practice with? Don't worry, you can improve your speaking skills even on your own. Today, I'll show you a simple but powerful method that anyone can use. Imagine you are watching a short English video, and here, I usually wake up at 7 and go for a run. Instead of repeating it exactly, pause and say it in your own words. I get up at 7 every morning and run a little. See, you said the same idea but in your own style. This method is called active imitation. It means using the ideas you hear and expressing them in your own words, not memorizing the sentence. How to practice? Number 1. Start with simple phrases. For example, I like coffee or she's a teacher. Pause and repeat out loud. Start easy. Number 2. Try longer sentences. Listen to a sentence, pause, and say it in your own words. Example, he didn't go to school because he was tired. He was tired, so he stayed home. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. Number 3. Short stories. Listen to a short story in English, pause the video, and retell the story in your own words. Don't worry about forgetting details. Just share the main idea. With this method, you can learn real grammar, useful vocabulary, and gain confidence, all without a class or speaking partner. All you need is your voice and a little motivation. Step by step, practice every day, and you will get better and better. Now, it's your turn. Write one short English sentence in the comments and practice with us.